Hey Bruce, in this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make changes to the prices for your online menu that's inside your website there. I will email you the path to this login where you can save that in your browser favorites. And then I will also email you the username and password in separate emails for security reasons so that we don't have to worry about somebody else getting their hands on that. But I am at your login screen, and I'm going to click on the login button here. I've already got your username and password in there. And then I'm going to go over here to Pages and click on All Pages. And then down here at the very bottom it says Our Menu. If you hover over that, you'll notice that you get this little subtext menu here. You will click on this Edit with Divi. Let this page load. Once it's loaded, then if you hover over any of these sections here, you'll notice that these toolbars come up and there's a little gear on here. That's going to be for every little section here. So every item within your menu, if you wanted to change the price of your Moz special from $10.99 to something else, you would simply hover over that until you got this toolbar. And if the toolbar doesn't appear immediately, just go over here to the white space and then move back over again, and then it'll pop up. So I'm going to change the price from $10.99 to $12.99 just for the sake of this example here. So I would just go in here and place my cursor to the right of whatever it is that I'm wanting to change, and I'd hit my delete key or my backspace key once and then put in the value I want. And then once you hit this check mark here where it says Save Changes in the bottom right hand corner of this little dialog box, click on that, and then come down here to these three dots in the middle lower part of the screen. Click on that once and it expands out, and you'll come over here to the far right hand bottom corner and click on Save. Once you get the check mark there, that means that that page has been saved. And if you go to the front end, I'm going to go back to the dashboard by going up here to the upper left hand corner, and then I'm going to go to Visit Site. And then after I've gone to the Visit Site link, it's going to show me what consumers would see on the front end of your website. So I'm going to go over here and click on Our Menu. And you'll notice that now Moz Special is $12.99. Of course, we don't want to leave it that way because I'm sure that's probably not the price at the moment. So I'm going to go back to the same place I was at. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard up here in the upper left-hand corner. I'm going to come down here to All Pages. I'm going to come down here to Our Menu and click on Edit with Divi. Wait on that page to load. Once it's loaded, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to hover over this particular section here. Click on that gear. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to change that to $10.99. I'm going to click on the Save Changes check mark there. Come down here to these three dots in the middle, and then come over here to the far right hand bottom corner. Click Save. And now that magically is changed back to $10.99. And if I go back here to Moz Place at Table Rock Lake, click on Dashboard, and then come back up here to Moz Place at Table Rock Lake, and then click on Visit Site. And I come over here to Our Menu. Then it's back to $10.99. So that's all you have to do all the way through here. If you're wanting to actually change out entire menu items and photos and things like that, that would probably require a different tutorial because it becomes a little more involved. If you can master this part of it, then we'll take it a step at a time. If you try this and you don't feel comfortable with it, please let me know, and I will put together a custom quote for you on a maintenance agreement where I make all of the changes for you where you don't have to mess with it and you can spend more time running your business and making more money. So, but that's entirely your call. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions and we'll go from there. Have a great day.